everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be talking all about the AMREZY palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills. What my thoughts are on it, how it compares to another one of their super popular palettes, and why I don't want to buy it. So we're just going to jump right in. There's no point in anything else. So first things first, so please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I make lots of different kinds of videos on this channel. I'm trying to get back into making videos more consistently, but give me a subscribe and a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. So anyways, let's just dive right in. So I'm going to pull up a picture of the palette so I can look at it right in front of me while I talk about it. So the number one reason why I don't want to buy this palette is because of the colors. So the whole top row is all shimmers, and they're not regular shimmers. They're kind of like the foiled shimmers, like the super dramatic kind of shimmers. And literally, if you guys take a look at the picture, we have like an icy purple, a super like cool toned bronze, another icy purple, a gold, a bright ass blue, another bronze and another bronze, just various shades of bronze. And then the bottom row, we have a frosted pink and then another gold, peachy gold, okay? Those are such difficult shades to use, like the frosty blue, pink, purple. The bronzes, yeah, we can use, but they're all pretty similar, so it's like, all right, whatever. It's nothing new or exciting. And then the purples, the pinks, and the blues, shimmery purple, pink, and blue is like you can only use that when you're doing some unicorn-esque look. It's not anything that you can do anything versatile with. So I just don't know why she did that, especially because she never wears anything super dramatic or interesting. AMREZY is always wearing, like, neutrals. So I thought that was just really strange. The palette just doesn't seem to align with her personality or her vibes at all. I mean, she wears a lot of color on her Instagram page, but not in her makeup. It's in her clothes. So sorry, I'm getting all caught up looking at this again. Oh, okay. Anyways, she wears a lot of color on her Instagram page, but only in her outfits, not in her eyeshadow. It just doesn't make any sense to me at all. I have no idea. It's like I would have never guessed that it was her collaboration. It makes no sense to me. I have a weird dig to make about the packaging, too, that you guys might be like, oh, that's petty or whatever, but the packaging is glitter on glitter. Like, the actual packaging is glitter, and then the writing is glitter, so it's, like, hard to read. I just feel like little thought went into this, and it doesn't represent AMREZY, at least at face value of what I see at all. So I just don't understand that. And then at the same time, so that's that about how they're unwearable and not unique. But then when you get to the bottom row, it looks just like Modern Renaissance. I mean, when I look at it, I see Modern Renaissance immediately, the bottom row. So I don't know. It just feels like it's nothing new or exciting. So the top row is unwearable and the bottom row is what we already have. That's just what it seems like to me. Like, I looked at it and I was like, there's no way I'm buying that. It just didn't appeal to me at all. And the packaging is overwhelming. Pink glitter, silver glitter, or whatever the writing was in. It's hard to read. It's just not cute to me. I don't like it. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are. I mean, I know I sound super opinionated on this. It's really just, I just don't like it. That's all. And I'm not interested in it. So, I don't know. Let me know if you bought it, how you like it, what kinds of looks you've done with it, that kind of thing. Leave me a comment down below. I'm more than interested to see what you guys think, but I'm just not feeling it. So I figured I'd jump on and do an anti-haul for you guys since I haven't done one in forever. So please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. The palette's $50, by the way, so it's a little bit more expensive than their typical palettes. I guess because it's a collab with her. But to me, it's just the palette is short falling. It's just not what it could be. It's just not. I don't know. Yeah. I love you guys so much. Please give this video a thumbs up. This was super quick video. It's literally been like 5 minutes. But yeah, I just wanted to jump on here and chat about that for a little while. And I'm interested in hearing your thoughts. So we'll talk down below. Bye.